Hi YouTube, I'm Brandon Jess,
I'm Garrett Jess.
and we're the owners of Jess Auto Group, and welcome to our channel.
Before I get into today's video, I ask that you please subscribe to our YouTube channel. By you subscribing, it notifies you of any new videos that we post bi-weekly, and it helps support our channel's growth. Okay, now let's go into the different drive modes that Ford vehicles have available. So these different drive modes are used to make adjustments based on or off-road conditions, and these can make adjustments to optimize steering, throttle response, your pedal accelerator, stability, drive line. There's all sorts of different things that these drive modes make adjustments to, which just make you a better and safer driver. You can change those modes by navigating to your center stack. When you start your Ford vehicle, it will automatically go in normal drive mode. And normal drive mode is a nice balance between comfort, excitement, and convenience. When you select Eco mode, it maximizes efficiency, it reduces fuel consumption, and it increases the driving range. Tow hauling mode adjusts the steering and suspension, so it increases the comfort of you driving when you're hauling either a trailer or a really heavy load. Slippery mode is used when you are driving on what should be a firm surface, so a firm road, and it's covered or has some sort of slippery substance, hence the slippery mode. And it could either be a lot of rain, moisture, or ice or snow. So mud or rut mode is pretty self-explanatory. You use this mode when you are in an uneven, muddy, rutted road. So crawl mode provides additional comfort when you're driving, and it should only be used in off-road situations like when you are rock climbing in your vehicle. So deep snow or sand mode is used to help keep your forward momentum going, and it optimizes the pedal response. And this should be used when you are in deep powdery snow, or you're in the soft sand and you feel like you can't keep your momentum going forward. So when you turn your Ford vehicle on, it will automatically revert back to normal drive mode, but it'll prompt the option of returning to what you previously were on. So let's say you were in slippery drive mode because it's raining outrageously outside. You stop at a gas station, you go inside, and then you come back out and start your vehicle. It'll go back to normal mode, but it'll prompt if you want to return to the previous drive mode. And in that situation, you would say yes. If this video was entertaining for you, please hit the thumbs up button down below. If you have any questions or comments or video topics that you want us to discuss, please let us know in the comment section down below, and we will be in touch.